be very proud that there will be a Filipina elected here in Surrey to represent all the Filipinos in BC.
We are the third largest ethnic community in Canada. So for us to have one is really of high importance.
As a community, we can change Surrey for a better Surrey.
Ito ang ilan sa mga opinyon ng mga Pilipinong residente ng Surrey sa pagkandidato ng ilang Pilipino sa City Council sa Surrey Municipal Election ngayong taon. Isa sa kanila, si Rima de la Cruz, na naniniwala raw na kaligtasan ng mga residente ang pinakamalaking issue sa syudad.
For everybody in Surrey, safety has always been an issue, especially now with the extortion issues, and safer streets, definitely. And so that is a priority.
Isa si De La Cruz sa 8 kumpirmadong kandidato ng partido. Kasama niya rin si William Lee, isang magulang at SFU grad. Tumatakbo sila sa ilalim ng Imagine Surrey Party ni dating NDP MLA at dating Surrey City Councilor Mike Starchak na tumatakbo naman para maging mayor ng syudad.
We know we live in a time where everything's 2 clicks away and likes and all those other things that are there. But nothing will ever replace somebody making a phone call and having somebody pick it up and talk to them, or going to a desk and asking somebody the question. And that's what we have to change.
Bukod kay De La Cruz, tumatakbo rin sa City Council si Noemi Victorino.
Well, ang number one issue dito sa Surrey, as we know, is yung extortion, right? So, and not only that, yung cost of living, yung affordability. So, ang role namin sa municipal level is to advocate for funding and action, demand action sa mga provincial and federal government.
Si Victorino, isa naman sa 6 na kumakandidato sa ilalim ng Surrey Connect Party ni incumbent Surrey Mayor Brenda Locke, na ipinagmamalaki ang kanyang malakas na relasyon sa iba't ibang level ng gobyerno.
Been to Ottawa now twice to talk to both the Minister of Public Safety and as well the Prime Minister, and certainly I talked with the provincial Solicitor General Daly.
Bukod sa Imagine Surrey Party at Surrey Connect Party, tumatakbo rin ang ilang kandidato ng Surrey First Party ni Surrey City Councilor Linda Anes, na tumatakbo naman para maging mayor ng syudad. Sa October 17, gaganapin ang municipal election. Sa ngayon, mahigit 20 kandidato na ang kumpirmadong tatakbo sa City Council na naglalaban para sa 8 pwesto. Teresa Barara, Omni News, Surrey.